So I'm from the Nearly Historical Railroad channel. So on this channel we do model railroading stuff and we have fun with it. So that's what we're doing. In the last video I pointed out I kind of had some issues with some turnouts, so I gonna try and work on those, maybe replace one. Oh, and also I need to measure a buffalo. And who knows what else will happen. All right. So the other day I was out and about in the real world with my son, and we went to a children's museum, and I dropped him off there. And well, I got to look into the store, and I was like, hey, look at this, these are kind of cool. So check this out. Warning, don't choke on it. So I grabbed a couple of these, and I thought, they look kind of close to maybe the right scale. So check it out, it's a buffalo. But I need to measure it and see if it really is the right size, or close enough. I had to do a little bit of research and find out what the normal height is for your average American buffalo. And apparently it's 5 to 6.5 feet at the shoulders. I don't know if that includes that big hump thing or whatever, but boy, we're getting detailed. So, let me see. 0 feet. I almost thought it might be a little big, but it's, can you see that? Hold on. It's like 5 feet. I think we're perfect. This is great. I also picked up that guy, but I'm not going to tell anybody about him. We'll see if somebody notices him. Alright, so they're out there roaming, looking for grass. There's no static grass. They ain't got nothing to eat, so they're just roaming, right? This is where the buffalo roam today, anyways. So this is the Alpine station, and we talked about changing this turnout out, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so Scott's here and John's here and Jim's here too. So fast but so this guy, I adjusted a guardrail on there. I haven't tested it yet, and I replaced this turnout, got it all hooked up. Frog is dead still, but I got feeders on it. This is much better. Haven't tested it yet. And this is Romley. I adjusted the guardrail on this guy, but I haven't tested it yet. But check this out.
Learning how to do all three. Checking it out. Get that comment started, and that was about 70
This is Jim's new out of the box. So what is it?
It's an SP SD45T2. I know it's a mouthful.
brand.
This is an Athearn ready to run with DCC and sound.
Dad's working on a dead frog, of course. I just think it's very cool that you can actually see through that. That, to me, is cool. Jim's locomotive, we tried it out, and the motor is making some strange noises, not normal. And he said that the package, like both the seals were already broke on the package. So we're kind of wondering if it was a return, and it might be a return again. But yeah, it was making some weird noises that's not normal. but it looks great.
And we could take it apart to find out what the problem is, but if I do that, the warranty's gone.
Right. So, yeah.
Just run it at a high speed for a while.
Okay, kind of a lot going on tonight. I'm trying to get video in here and there. So I'm bringing this train around so I can test that one through my other turnouts. Got the other one over here ready to test that turnout we just replaced. They're talking, I think they're talking about cars right now. I don't even know. My dad's wiring up some other frogs over there. So anyways, let's go check this one out. Oh, this is much better. As in, it would short out last time, so a much better transition into the turnout. That one's headed over to do some testing, and let's try the other direction on this guy. All right. Dead frog, maybe. So I was just gonna show you this real quick. This is our little mine area over at Morrison, and Jim brought this picture because he's all like, I found something where the mine is just like hanging off the edge of a cliff. It's like, yeah, I've seen some stuff too. So he brought that in. It's like, that's pretty cool. So having this like on this cliff that's fine. It's gonna be cool. We'll get back to it someday. Right?
Right.
All right, so I think I don't know how I'm ending this. I don't know. Hey, the buffalo are still working. That's good. So it was kind of one of those nights where I think we did a lot, but none of it you can actually see. I changed out that turnout. I adjusted guardrails on the other turnouts. I ran trains through it, and they work pretty good. Nothing's coming off, so I think it's okay. I haven't run them the other way, but we'll do that someday. But they're actually working pretty good now. I don't even know. Jim and John, they all were talking about, I don't even know what they were talking about. John brought over some cool circuit board thing, and I didn't even get a chance to even see what it was.
He's coming with a circuit board so that we could put them into our cabooses so we could actually light them up a certain way for prototypical lighting.
Oh, see, this is the stuff that happens that I'm not even aware of. I don't want to spend too much time doing video. I want to make sure I work on the layout, so I miss some stuff that happens.
There will be more on that lighting.
Yeah, okay, so lighting cabooses someday. All right, I don't know, I guess that's it. Like I said, the buffalo are working and the bear's still there. Who doesn't know about the bear?
No.
So anyways.
As long as it's not in the air.
Oh, yeah, okay. So anyways, I guess that's it. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the little bell so you get notifications when new videos come out. And whatever, see you next time. Thanks for watching.